So I've got a couple of really rough visuals here that I can just flick through. Now, in any design process, you're always starting off with the pretty basic pencil sketches, and there's usually dozens, in fact hundreds, of ideas that will be considered. In this particular instance, what we ended up deciding was, because they're involved in a range of activities from cotton, orchards and now wine, at the end of the day they're an agricultural company. And through actually flying around their site in a plane and looking out the window, it became obvious that the fields themselves, regardless of what it was actually growing, the texture could ultimately be the identity that captured the essence of the breadth of this particular business. So from very simplistic sketches to actually working up that particular idea and looking at a range of colours, and as you can see, we do investigate quite a number of things to actually get to the best possible solution, and then working with the client and getting an understanding of what they felt was indicative of their business and their business's personality and the way that they wanted to communicate to their target audience. So at the end we ended up with a particular palette which we refined, which ultimately has given us a whole range of applications which are quite extensive, and at the end of the day the final design, which now has been utilised on vehicles, stationery, collateral, promotional material, uniforms, and the list just goes on. And that's part of the process of working with a client to develop that program that they feel personifies who they are and what they want to be perceived as.